Hey y'all, it's BRITT LATHRECE and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today. So today what I have is an unboxing and a bit of a story time. Y'all know this girl likes to shop and y'all know we like to tell stories over here. So let's get started.
Got that sweet juice, Minute Maid, summer vibe, that lemonade. Take a sip, blowing purple clouds, taste like lemon haze. Conversations back and forth like damn we could go.
Won't he do it? All right, y'all, here's the passport cover and I'm about to give you the breakdown of it. This is made of monogram coated canvas and inside it has cowhide leather. 4 card holders, 1 flat pocket and 2 what they call flying pockets. And this just ensures that you can hold your passport along with any other documents that you feel necessary while traveling. Y'all know this girl loves and appreciates a monogram. And y'all know I love the Art of Living section on LV. So I love that everyday lifestyle of luxe moment that the items can give to you. So this was an item that was a part of my wish list and I am so happy that I secured it. But when I tell you guys, it was a whole hustle to secure this item, I absolutely mean it. And we're gonna get into the story time now. I was trying to secure this for a friend for the holidays and I was having no luck, y'all. So there was always a glitch happening on the LV website for this specific item for me when I ordered it through client services. And after like several, not even over exaggerated, truly several attempts, she was like, you're gonna have to go to the store. So throughout the holidays, every time I would go to the store, I would place an order for this. Y'all, I ordered this, I wanna say 4 times, and each time it got canceled. I was that like friend during the holidays that's like, I got you a gift, girl. I got you a gift, girl. And then the holidays like passed. And it was just getting embarrassing. I was like, I'm gonna lose my credibility amongst this friend if I don't like come through with this supposed gift. Y'all all know that friend that's like, I got a gift for you. And then never comes through. No, I felt like I was gonna be that friend. Thank goodness. This person has known me since college, so they know I like definitely like honor my commitments, but at the same time it started to get a little bit dicey. You know, after about 3 cancellations, you're just like, do I even try? So finally, I want to say a little bit after the holidays, I went to secure this item and was able to send it to my friend, and I was like really happy. So I just prioritized getting hers and kind of like being like, okay, I'll just get mine whenever one comes available. So then one day, my CA and I were up to no good per usual, or you could say up to getting all the goods. I mean, again, perspective is key here. I'm just saying. She ended up helping connect me with somebody at LV Las Vegas, and this is how I got this item. So it was kind of like a connection through client services to a store where I was able to place the order. And I could not be happier with the item. But when I tell you securing it was the hustle of my life, it was the hustle of my life. It really was. It was pretty funny. So I love it a lot. I think it's super nice. I'm excited to take it with me for future travels. I currently do not have travel plans, but I have been discussing some upcoming trips with some buddies of mine. So I'm looking forward to having it with me. Y'all, I think this is such a great travel essential. I think it's a little bit of a travel flex. I recently bought some new luggage that I'm like obsessed with. I know next time I go to the airport with this in tow, y'all can't tell me nothing. I'm gonna be feeling myself like, who me? Like I'm going to be feeling myself so hard and I'm ready for it. But y'all know once I do go somewhere with it, this is not getting handed to customs. Y'all, I talked about it before and I'm gonna say it again. I'm gonna slide that passport on out of here, hand it to them, because y'all not gonna mess with my nice stuff. You are not going to mess with my nice stuff, customs. Like, interestingly enough, y'all, this item from the February 2022 price increases did not go up. So I know everybody had a fit about what went up, and y'all, rightfully so. LV, like, they served us up with some prices, but this one actually was not impacted by the price increase. But do with that information what you may, y'all. I ain't here to tell y'all what to do, but if you like her. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications each time that I upload. Talk to you soon. Bye.